Introducing the Barrie Bolts presenting Wonderwalk. It's a nice day for Mark and Rona, who are walking, when the evil Voldy comes out of nowhere and attacks. Voldy kidnaps Mark and Rona, who drops them in the ocean.
Help me!
The three superheroes hear Mark and Rona scream and come to save them.
Help me! What do you do? What is it? Is it here, guys? Help me! Help me! Hat! I found two hats! Mark and Rona!
After Wonder Boys, Bolt and Bully save Rona and Mark, they go to battle Voldy.
Hello!
It's not very pretty.
You are out of here! Get up! Be dead. She is dead.
They save the day. The end.
All the actors take a bow. Line up, take a bow, and narrator in there too. Let's give them a round of applause. Can we try the bow again? Everybody line up.
Okay.
Not 6 of you bowing and 1 person jumping around like a crazed monkey. Line up with the other actors. And everyone take a bow.
Hello, fellow audience members. I'm the frog of the magical forest, and I have a performance for you that happened a long time ago. You know, there's a lot of magical stories that happen in this magical forest. And here, for you, the Red Devils present the quest for the golden tennis racket. Once upon a time, there were 4 girls who loved to play tennis. The angry peach monsters happen to be walking by, and they find out that these girls are the only ones who know where the golden tennis racket is. So they capture them and put them in the dungeon in the magical forest.
Get in the dungeon, you little rascals!
Go! Get in there! You're the rascals!
Go, get in there!
Go! We're in!
Annie's lit.
Oh my god.
Introducing, I'm a superhero named Kid Hook. I'm a superhero named Epic Scribble.
Make him a stew.
Epic Scribble. Do you hear that?
Yeah, I do, Kid Hook.
Let's go find out.
Let's do. The superheroes go to save the 4 tennis playing girls, but they find out that the peaches, the angry peaches, are still in the kitchen making stew, which is the closest room to the dungeon, so they don't know if they can make it. where the golden tennis racket is. It's under the roots of the magic tree.
Hey, there it is! Yeah!
We found the gold tick, Mickey!
Epic spoon!
Everybody, listen! It took them weeks to find it, but they finally did. And they all played tennis happily ever after, except for the Peaches. They didn't live very happily ever.
Hey, Peach, did you eat or anything?
The end.
I'm still tired.
Okay, all the actors line up. Have a bow. You too, Angry Peach. That was great. Okay, you guys ready? Take a bow. Take a bow.
I like that.
Well done. Yeah.